Hey, welcome back. So this is actually a redo of the first YouTube project I ever did. I've gotten so much better at it, and the video and audio quality were so bad, I decided I would do another take since I was mounting another bike in my garage. Here, James is removing the hooks from his two old, much smaller bikes when he was learning to ride. Now he's big enough that he has this youth bike. I'm using the stud sensor to make sure that both of these hooks and both the pulley eyelets are screwed into the studs. There's a fair amount of weight and they will rip out if you don't get it deep into the stud. Be sure when you're installing these hooks you orient them correctly. Make sure the opening faces away from the pulley. The reason for that is that when you pull on the pulley, it might accidentally pull the bike off the hook, injuring you or damaging something. The way I'm doing it here with a closed eye ensures the pulley can never fall off the hook no matter what. The real purpose of the pulleys is to put the rope somewhere where I can attach the rope cleat for tying it off. If you put the pulley directly above where the bike will swing up, it actually makes it really easy to lift. And if you've never used polyester rope, it's really cheap and incredibly strong and very durable. Since these pulleys have rolling wheels, they will not fray the rope in any way. And if you've never seen this trick, this is what's called the quote-unquote spit trick. You melt the plastic with a torch or lighter, and then you get a lot of spit in your fingers, and you use it to smush all the plastic together, and then it won't fray. If you look carefully, you'll see I have 2 knots on the end of this rope. One knot down low is for your hand so it won't slide off the rope when you first start pulling, and the upper knot keeps the rope from completely getting pulled up to the ceiling by the weight of the bike swinging down. That makes it within easy reach without having to get on a tall ladder to reach all the way up to the ceiling. These are double knots. These knots are big enough that they can't pull through the pulley. I don't know the term for this rope twist in the boating industry, but it's the way that boats are tied up to piers, and it works great for bikes too. So the ceiling in my garage is 9 feet high. With the bike sideways like this, I can pull in my wife's SUV without being anywhere near the roof of the car. So it should work for most people.